Hi everyone, it's Slay. I'm here to lick hair, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got these flawless tinted eyebrows with my tinted eyebrow hack. You guys stay tuned. I'm sorry, that was a little concealer. You guys stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how I got these eyebrow results. Thank you. Hey everybody, I'm coming to you today with the eyebrow tinting tutorial. Yes, honey, this is a permanent eyebrow hack for eyebrow tinting. First, you're gonna need a Just For Men kit for the beard. I'm using the darkest brown shade. So what you want to do is you want to open the package up. It comes with instructions. It comes with the developer, the color base, some other stuff, a brush, and a tray. So what we're gonna do is, first thing we're gonna do is go and get our eyebrow utensils. So let me go ahead and run and get those. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed my angle eyebrow brush with the spoolie. I also have my concealer brush, and I also have the LA Colors Chestnut Concealer. Okay? First thing we're gonna do is you're gonna take your, oops, I'm sorry. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your color base, and in this, you're gonna take a dot. Oh shit, too much, a dot. Then you're gonna also do the same proportion for the developer. Equal proportions. You're gonna take that stick and mix them. Mix it really good. And it should look like this once it's done. Next, you're gonna take your eyebrows and you're gonna clean them out like you usually do. Let me take this a little closer. Okay, and we're gonna start in a second. So guys, you're also gonna need your concealer, Vaseline, a Q-tip, and something damp to wipe your face off with. I'm just gonna use a damp towel or a damp cotton ball. Okay, so I already let it sit. So first thing you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and outline your eyebrows with some Vaseline. Okay. Now you're going to take that on a brush and you're going to stroke it out just like you would regularly do. It's already changing colors. So now I'm just brushing it out with the spoolie before I wipe it off. And we're just gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. So now I'm just gonna wipe this off with some cotton balls. And voila. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your concealer, nice.